This seems like an ordinary chord progression to me. What do you think? It sounds fine, but I want to give it an upgrade, and I think I'm going to do this by just repeating one note on top. So if I just add one note and repeat it, can I put all of these chords into a different context while also adding some extra color and tension? Yes, definitely, and it's up to you how far you want to go. Because not all notes are created equally. And what I mean by that is that the note that you choose to repeat on top, you can control the consonants and the dissonance. So did you notice that by playing and just repeating one note, you give all of the chords a different character and a different color? As I said, some become more dissonant while the others, they create this beautiful, soft and colorful texture. But what if I want something that blends better and does not sound that dissonant? In a simple and diatonic progression like this, it is very easy to choose and find suitable notes that you can repeat. If the repeated note is part of the triad, then it will blend and sound consonant. Just check out this next example where the repeated note is part of the first two chords, and on the third chord it creates this beautiful soft consonant, which is the major sixth. Overall, this version sounds a lot smoother and softer. I will also make a video about the rhythm that I used for the repeated note, so be sure to keep an eye out. But in the meantime, you can improve your skill set by watching this playlist on modal chord progressions. And for now, see you next time.